Hello teachers, in this video we will see how you can give assignment as PDF and a practice test. Also how you could check your assignment. So here I am logging as a teacher. Click on super button here. Create assignment. Select your class, your subject, submission date, title. Attach your type, upload file, choose file. You can choose if you will take a photo. If you want to choose image, then photo will automatically convert into PDF. Create PDF. It is gradable, then click on that checkbox, give the mark and publish. Your assignment has been created successfully. If you want to check now, if you want to see created assignment, then click on assignment and worksheet. So click on academy. Now click on assignment and worksheet. Your subject. Here you can see your assignment has been created successfully. If you want to edit something about assignment, then you can edit it from here. If you want to edit PDF, then you can edit it from here. The pending button is showing that your assignment has been reached to your student. If they will submit it, it will show here, and if you will approve it, then it will show it here. Now if you don't want to create assignment through super button, then you can also click on this plus icon, click here. Here you can give assignment as a practice test also, so you have to click this option only. It's so simple. You have to choose practice test from here, publish. Now you can see practice test has been created successfully. So here we can see that somebody has submitted the assignment. So now we have to click on it, view, and you can check assignment, approved and reject. I am approving it. Enter mark, submit. Your assignment approved successfully. You can see it shifted here. So teacher, in this way you can give assignment as a practice test and PDF form, and then you can also check and approve it. Thank you.